Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. It's video number 70 now, I believe. I just got my notification for the day. Clicking on the little notification bell, as you see, 0.64%. Made $92.48 today, guys. It did go up a little bit from yesterday. Really great day of earnings. And yeah, guys, just wanted to do this quick 5-minute daily review video for you. If you're following my channel, thank you guys very much. I've been getting a lot of emails from other members and people that are just inquiring about S Group, thinking about getting involved in S Group. If you guys haven't yet, click on the subscribe button down below, and that way you can follow my progress as I go along. I'm just doing some updated videos here for you guys so you guys could see how I'm doing. Thank you guys very, very much for following me. Just to give you a little presentation here of S Group. It's an investment company, allows you to invest your money in various areas. Forex market, which is what I'm invested in. S Pharmaceutical, which is the medical cannabis. SIPO, which is the various stocks that they're involved with. Their computerized bot does all the stock trading for you, so you don't have to do any of the stock trading. Don't really have to know anything about stock trading, really. And also liquidity mining, which is their own token system, which is on a different market as well. Invest your money, and as the value of the tokens go up, you make money on that. All right, guys. So yeah, I mean, just to go over everything, forex market is pretty straightforward. I've been going through in my previous videos. You put your money in the system, and the computerized bot does the forex trading for you automatically. Most people, when they do come in, they invest a small amount of money to try it out for a little while. They see how great it is, and then they invest more money. When you come into these low tier levels, anywhere from $100 to $4.99, you make 50%. The company gets 50%. 500 to $14.99, you get 60% of the daily profits. The company gets 40, and so on and so forth. The next area you can invest in is S Pharmaceutical, which is the medical cannabis. You can invest in any of these areas. Production, the minimum investment, as you see over here, is 2,500. Extraction, 5,000. Sales, 7,500. Products, 10,000. And the full cycle is 25,000. So you basically invest your money in any of those areas, and over a period of, I believe, either 3 or 6 months, they give you the money earned, a percentage of the money earned off of whatever area that you invest in. All right, and the other area is SIPO. This is the stocks that you can invest in. It's kind of like forex. You invest whatever amount of money you want to invest in, and the company gives you this first number, and they keep the second number. And yeah, you invest in, let's see here. Yeah, okay, well, it tells you whatever amount, and then whatever the percentage is. And then after a period of time, you'll get the earnings off of the stock trading it does for you. Last one here is liquidity mining, which is, yeah, like I was saying, their own token system. You invest your money in either for 90 days, 180 days, 365 days. The longer the term, the more the longer of term, the longer term that you invest in, the more money you'll get back. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, guys. You can invest whatever amount you want, and the company holds it for either 90 days, 180 days, or 365 days, whatever term. And after that term is when they pay you the money that the token has matured and made money on. So yeah, guys, I just want to do this quick 5-minute daily review video. I want to thank you guys for sticking with me. 70 videos in. Just going to keep on growing my account. Today's Wednesday. On Friday, I'm going to be doing a withdrawal and reinvestment. So I might do a couple of videos actually on that day to separate it, so that way it's not too long. I only want to keep these videos 5 minutes long. So just finishing up the 5 minutes here, guys. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel, and you can see my progress. And yeah, if you guys want to join S Group, There's a sign up link down below in the description. Click on the sign up link and you can join my team and I'll walk you through everything. All right, see you guys in the next video. Thanks.